Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, I'm going to make a really simple fried potato or aloo fry, but I'm not using any spices really. I'm not using any powders, keeping it nice and kind of clean. So we've got some fresh chili in there and cumin seeds and salt. That's what we've got in there. So it's a really kind of mild one. Really, really beautiful. Doesn't take long. Fantastic with some kind of bread or something like that. Let's have a look at these simple ingredients. So I've got some potatoes here, which I've peeled and cut quite small. I've got one regular sized onion, one regular sized tomato, a little bit of fresh green chili, and then I've got like a tablespoon of chopped garlic and like 1 inch maybe of ginger, fresh ginger, 2 heaped teaspoons of cumin seeds, some cilantro or coriander. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil and we're going to use a little bit of salt. It's very simple, this one. Okay, so I've got a pan here. You're going to need some sort of pan or pot. I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. You could be using something else if you wanted. Very simply, let's get our whole cumin seeds in the mix along with all our potatoes. So just these two ingredients at the moment with the oil, and want to fry this around for about 4 to 5 minutes. We're on a medium or just above a medium heat. So these are coming on nicely, still quite hard. You could parboil them first if you wanted, but they're cut quite small, so they're going to cook really nicely. Now you may have noticed that when I showed you all the ingredients, I'm keeping this one powder free, so there's no curry powder, no chili powder, no turmeric. Of course, go ahead and do it if you want. I'm just going to keep this one nice and simple. Next up, we're going to add in our garlic and our ginger. I'm going to add some salt. Now I'm using fresh garlic and ginger like that, not garlic ginger paste, because we're frying like this. The garlic ginger paste can burn quite easily because it's, you know, it's so fine. So that's why I'm using the fresh chopped or chunky cut. Now we're going to go in with our onion, sliced onion, and staying on this heat. Let's go for another 3 or 4 minutes. You've got to kind of keep it moving pretty much all the time. Fantastic. The onions are just changing colour now. I'm now going to add in that fresh chili. You can put in as much or as little as you like. I've not put too much in. Now what we need to do, we now need to fry until our potatoes are a little bit cooked, or a little bit more cooked than they are now, till they're kind of ready, because the tomatoes are kind of a last minute thing with this dish. They just go in and are tossed around for a short amount of time. So probably, I don't know, for me another 4 or 5 minutes, these potatoes will be nice and cooked, like little kind of little fries. Keep it moving. And there you go, you can see that this is browning really nicely. We're getting some nice little toasty edges on it. What we're going to do now is that tomato, chopped nice and small. Just going to stir this in for like 2 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Those tomatoes just give it a nice little bit of moisture. Simply, we're going to add chopped cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Check that for salt, give it a mix, and we're done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon for notifications. Check us out on Facebook and all that. There's loads going on there. And that's it. Lots of love.